Hey guys, it's about time if we talk about the Nothing Phone 2A, the budget smartphone which will be coming from the Nothing smartphone as a company, and the Nothing Phone 2A will be the true successor towards the Nothing Phone 1, as we know that the Nothing Phone 2 was indeed a complete flagship smartphone. Now, as per the leaks for the Nothing Phone 2A, then the Phone 2A will be coming with the glyph style interface, but this time around it will be a bit different one than the previous generations of Nothing Phone 1 and the Phone 2. And the phone has been leaked also inside a case as well. Now, if we talk about the specifications of the phone, which you can expect right now, as the phone is not being launched and it is expected to be launching on February 27 at MWC 2024. So here are some of the key specifications which you need to take a look around for this smartphone if you're planning to buy a budget smartphone. Now, the Nothing Phone 2A will be coming with the 6.7 inch of a 120Hz of high refresh rate AMOLED panel, and it will be powered by a processor which is from the MediaTek this time. Yeah, this will be the very first time where Nothing will be using a MediaTek processor, and it's going to be Dimensity 7200 SoC. Now, but what we also know about this phone is that it will be using the camera similar towards the Nothing Phone 1, which is a 50 megapixel of a Sony Samsung camera alongside with the another 50 megapixel of a Samsung ultra wide camera. Now, also in the front, it will be having a Sony IMX615 of 32 megapixel selfie camera, and apart from that, name has also been confirmed. It will indeed be called a Nothing Phone 2A, and it is also said to be that this phone might also be having a wireless charging as well in this phone. The glyph interface will see a return in a budget smartphone, and the phone will be available in two colors, which is black and white. But if we talk about the pricing of this phone for the base variant 8 plus 128GB, then you can expect this pricing of this phone to be at around 400 euros, which convert the pricing at around 30 to 35,000 rupees in the Indian market. But one thing to which you also need to be take care is that Nothing Phone does not hold their values for a long period of time. Like the Nothing Phone 2 was launched at a price of 50,000 rupees in India, but after just couple of months of sale for the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale, that phone was available at a price of around 38,000. And this was also even further brought down in the Republic Day sale as well, so you need to take care about the pricing of this phone. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like it, then share it. Also, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one. Goodbye.